Component Explorer drives planning and placement within the PCB design flow. This environment provides easy-to-use hierarchical layout organization, enabling the definition and placement of hierarchical component groups. For the less complex placement needs, capabilities to personalize the user environment are also provided, thus reducing steep learning curves and accelerating the layout process. Bidirectional cross-probing between schematic and layout and hierarchical group placement functionality make locating and placement of parts on complex designs as easy as a click of the mouse. So let's take a quick look at the Component Explorer in action. Component Explorer's Navigator view provides the PCB layout designer the ability to quickly view persistent hierarchical placement groups created during schematic entry. Not only is Component Explorer's Navigator view valuable for reviewing predefined schematic placement groups, it also allows the PCB layout designer the ability to create and manage placement groups at the board level as well. Although Component Explorer's list view provides a comprehensive range of component properties and project information, the designer also has the ability to completely personalize the view to reduce timely searches through filtering of unwanted or unneeded component information. These dialog configurations may be saved and retained automatically for each user during future placement sessions. With bidirectional cross-probing, Component Explorer combines the selection and focus abilities of the Find command and tightly integrates these with part search capabilities and component placement manipulations. Component Explorer also delivers the latest in graphical user interface technology, providing designers an optional auto-hide capability to help optimize design view workspace by delivering an uncluttered and unobstructed view of the board during placement. Component Explorer really excels during the actual placement of the parts. Supporting a full range of filtering and sorting capabilities, Component Explorer aids the designer when sifting through lists of unwanted parts, or especially when searching for parts with specific part criteria to be placed on the board. As demonstrated earlier, placement groups can be created and used to manage a project component hierarchy, but they also provide the PCB layout designer so much more than just a visual planning structure in the Navigator view. Placement groups allow you to manage placement criteria at the parent or child group level, allowing the definition of group attributes, such as placement facement direction, rotation and layer settings, thus controlling placement behavior at the individual component level. Since placement groups are hierarchical, a parent-child relationship is defined, allowing designers to use a top-down placement methodology, permitting group symbol representations to be physically placed in the layout. After the group symbol is tentatively placed, you can then extract the children placement groups or board-level components from the physical group symbol. This placement methodology provides a persistent organization of components that can be used on all phases of the layout. You've now seen how Component Explorer's intuitive Navigator view improves placement efficiency by allowing the organization of component groups. The powerful hierarchical group placement methodology drastically reduces layout times, thus easily meeting demanding time-to-market schedules.